Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to talk on chemical reaction. Today I am focusing on main 5 types of chemical reactions. Guess what? You're not going to regret watching this video. I'm going to take my time and explain these 5 chemical reactions step by step with their examples. Now, let's start by understanding what this chemical reaction means. A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances are changed into new substances with different properties. Let's look on main types of chemical reaction. We are focusing on 5 main types of chemical reaction. 1. We have combination reaction. 2. Decomposition reaction. 3. Single displacement reaction. 4. Double displacement reaction. 5. Combustion reaction. Now, we are going to explain them one after the other. A combination reaction happens when 2 or more substances combine to form a single product. For example, hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas to form water. Let's see this image. This image shows the reaction of hydrogen plus oxygen to give water. This is the example of combination reaction. Now, let me repeat myself clear again. We say combination reaction is the reaction where 2 or more substances react together to give a single product. Don't confuse with the A plus B given AB that is there. Now, the A there represent hydrogen, the B there represent oxygen, and the AB represent water. That's our product that we gotten from the 2 reactants. Other examples include sodium plus chlorine produce sodium chloride, calcium plus oxygen produce calcium oxide. Remember, many combination reactions release energy in the form of heat or light. The second type of chemical reaction is the decomposition reaction. This is the opposite of combination reaction. A decomposition reaction occurs when a single compound breaks down into 2 or more simpler substances. Example, hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water and oxygen gas. Let's look at this image carefully. This image shows the decomposition reaction. Let's see how decomposition reaction take place. Now, down there we have heat. We all know that decomposition reaction can actually occur by either heat, light or electricity. Here we have a source of light there. Down the tripod stand, we have our container there, conical flask, which contains our substance, hydrogen peroxide. Now, by applying heat, the compound or the substance decomposes. When it decomposes, it gives water and oxygen. Other example, calcium carbonate decomposes to give calcium oxide and calcium dioxide. Many decomposition reactions require heat, light or electricity to occur. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, can you pause this video so that you subscribe to my channel before we continue? Thank you for subscribing. Let's look on the third chemical reaction. The third type of chemical reaction is single displacement reaction. A single displacement reaction happens when one element replaces another in a compound. Example, copper sulfide react with zinc. It produces zinc sulfide plus copper. This is the image of the example we are talking about. Copper sulfide plus zinc produce zinc sulfide plus copper. This is the single displacement reaction. Copper 2 sulfide solution in a container plus zinc inside the same container. Zinc will displace copper because zinc is more reactive than copper. That's why zinc displaces copper. Other examples, copper plus silver nitrate. It forms copper nitrate plus silver. This means that copper displaces silver from nitrate and it forms copper nitrate. Another example, iron plus copper sulfide. It produces iron sulfide plus copper. This means iron displaces copper from sulfide. The more reactive element will always replace the less reactive ones. The fourth type of chemical reaction is double displacement reaction. The double displacement reaction happens when 2 compounds exchange their ions to form new compounds. Example, sodium chloride plus silver nitrate to give sodium nitrate plus silver chloride. Let's look on the example that we're talking about. Sodium chloride plus silver nitrate, which gives sodium nitrate plus silver chloride. Now, what happened here is that it's just the position that they exchange, where sodium take the position of silver and silver take the position of sodium, where we now have sodium nitrate and silver chloride. This image clearly gives the definition of double displacement reaction, where we say double displacement reaction happens when two compounds exchange their ions to form new compounds. Other examples: barium chloride plus sodium sulfide. It produces barium sulfide plus sodium chloride. Lead nitrate plus potassium iodide. It produces lead iodide plus potassium nitrate. Double displacement reaction often produce a precipitate, gas or water. Finally, we have combustion reaction. This occurs when a substance reacts with oxygen and release energy in the form of heat and light. Example: methane bonds in oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water.
Let's look on the image of the example we're talking about.
Hey, you can see by seeing the image, you can see that it's very simple, very easy to understand. You have your heat is there. We have methane plus oxygen. When heats the two compounds together, they react and then give carbon dioxide plus water.
Other examples
Is octane in a fuel. Wood burning giving us CO2 plus O2O plus heat. Combustion reactions are very important energy in our daily life. Let's quickly recap the 5 types of chemical reactions. 1. Combination reaction. This means 2 or more substances combine together to form a single product. 2. Decomposition reactions means one substance breaks down to form new substance. 3. Single displacement means one element replaces another. 4. Double displacement reaction means exchange of ions between compounds. 5. Combustion reactions. Substance reacts with oxygen and release energy. Understanding these reactions will make your chemistry lesson much easier, especially when balancing equations. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more chemistry lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.